Tots! I'm out in my garden this morning and I'm going to share with you what I'm going to be doing. We're going to be making some mud pies and I hope that you can have a go at making some too. You need a pot and a spade or a stick and lots of mud. Filled it, tip it and give it a tap. Or if you don't have a spade or a pot, you can make really excellent mud pies just using your hands. I'm gonna mould it into a mud pie. Oh, it's very sticky and squelchy. There's my pie. And then I'm going to decorate it with some leaves that I found in the garden. Like this. Stones and a stick. No! Ta-da! Have fun making your mud pies and all your other crafts and activities. Let me know what you get up to and I'll speak to you all soon.